Hi, I'm Jeff Henderson, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about the Lyceum lecture that I will be at Victoria College and why I think it's important for all of us to gather together to talk about what we're going to talk about. And really the premise is simply this, that in today's world, it's no longer about being the best company in the world, it's about being the best company for the world. From a leadership standpoint, it's no longer about being the best leader in your organization. It's about being the best leader for your organization and for your customer. We're going to be looking at a powerful strategy in two questions that I've seen grow organizations, grow careers, and grow leaders. And so if you're a college student, I think this is an important opportunity for us to gather together to talk about this as it relates to your career. If you're a business leader, again, as I mentioned, I've seen these two questions grow businesses. And if you're a nonprofit leader, I think you're going to see how this question can help move your organization forward, because again, it's no longer about being the best company or organization in the world. It's about being the best company or organization for the world. And my favorite definition of this little word "for" is to be in favor of. And in a world often known for what it's against, it's time that we have leaders who known for who and what we're for. And while that might sound like a nice, sweet, cute little strategy, what I'm going to share with you at the Lyceum lecture at Victoria College is why these two questions and this strategy can be very practical, very helpful, and to move your organization and your leadership and your career forward. So I look forward to seeing you soon at the Victoria College Lyceum lecture.